Greetings and salutations, my dear audience. I'm here with Junior Saint, and we're just floating down the river real nice. Trying not to get all caught up. Trying not to get stuck. Don't get stuck, Junior Saint. We're here in the Brevard County Zoo. Junior Saint's not doing so good without somebody in the back steering.
I forgot how to steer for a second.
Keep your paddle low. Just a beautiful day here in sunny Florida. So far we've seen all kinds of wildlife. What did we see? Anteaters? Cougars? Let's see. Otters? I like the anteaters, they're funny. We saw all kinds of birds.
Like you, you're funny too.
I'm a funny guy. You dirty. Say hello to Uncle Cometh Egg. Say hello, Uncle Cometh Egg.
Oh, that's so cool.
You gotta tell Cometh Egg we got his mail day package from his auction. We got what do we got, Junior Saint? We got a Chipper Jones swatch or a patch, a relic, and then we got was it Jason Hayward or Freddie Freeman? Freddie Freeman rookie card. We used to always go to the zoo in Atlanta. Now we live in Florida. We come here to the Brevard County Zoo. It's pretty nice.
Also, he sent me a package one time where it was all Jason Hayward.
Yeah, we got a whole Jason Hayward package, but so now we're just relaxing, try not to crash into Mother Saint's. if we get out of here alive. Mother Saint and Sister Saint are behind us.
Whoa, watch your paddle, man.
Trying to steer with one hand.
You don't need to steer, I got it. That's what they all say.
We got to get to the other side of this tree here. You're going to the wrong side. You're gonna get us stuck. Saint, you're gonna get us stuck. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Oh, we got through it. Good job. You got to keep your paddles out of the water. No. We're doing a terrible job here. You almost tipped. Watch your paddle, hey, Sister Saint. Can't get your head in here. All right, well, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yeah, we'll see you guys later.
Oh, look, it's a fish.
It's a fish!